The Federal Reserve is about to inject a massive amount of money. We have a lot of distractions out there. We have the tariff war going on. However, we also have Ripple acquiring prime brokers. We have DTCC that is going to be facilitating and launching a platform in 6 days. They manage over $4 quadrillion of transactions. Right, and so this is absolutely massive. And so if you enjoy this video, do me a favor and hit the like button, and hopefully by the end of this video, you will become a subscriber. And so, let's go ahead and talk about this. The Federal Reserve here will absolutely help stabilize the market if needed. And so, how will they do this? They will either print money, or they will be buying treasuries. And so that will increase the M2 money supply. If we take a look at that here, this is the M2 money supply in blue here, and then we have the chart for Bitcoin. And look how closely these are correlated. Right now we're getting close to the bottom where we started to see the reversal of the M2 money supply, and Bitcoin's getting to that range, right? We're right up against resistance here. And so once this does break to the upside, I do think that we will start seeing a bigger push for Bitcoin in the entire cryptocurrency market. And so let's go ahead and take a look at this here from DTCC. Now, if you're not familiar with DTCC, they're at the center of the trading markets. They're ensuring the efficiency and stability of the financial system. And so, as I mentioned, they have an experiment coming up, the Great Collateral Experiment, only 6 days away. And so let's go ahead and take a look at this short video clip here, explaining what is going to be happening.
The Great Collateral Experiment is the culmination of many years of work where we're very proud to bring to market today a common infrastructure to be able to move collateral at the speed of the network. Our intent is to create a common platform where, whether it's tri-party providers, it is broker-dealers, the buy side, the sell side.
And so let's stop right there. Let's talk about broker-dealers, right? DTCC has been focusing on digital assets for multiple years. They've been building this. And so we know that Ripple acquired a prime broker called Hidden Road for $1.25 billion just last week. We can see here that Hidden Road has now received a FINRA approval for a broker-dealer license. And so we now know that Hidden Road has received their FINRA approval for a broker-dealer license, which DTCC just mentioned with their new product they're going to be launching here in about 6 days, right? Hidden Road is a company that Ripple has acquired. If we go ahead and take a look at this, Hidden Road launches fixed income prime brokerage platform. This gets even more interesting. Hidden Road, the global credit network for institutions, announced the launch of its fixed income prime brokerage platform. The business will initially support fixed income repo and global funding services, following the firm's recent approval as a fixed income clearing corporation clearing member. And so that is the FICC. The FICC is a subsidiary of DTCC. And so this here is more confirmation that Hidden Road is working with FICC, and that is a subsidiary of DTCC, right? They are processing about $3 quadrillion every single year. And so to make this even more interesting, we have DTCC that reports 31% growth in FICC clearing volumes, processing and daily average volume of about $7 trillion, right? And so the FICC is a subsidiary of DTCC, and they are going to be launching this platform in 6 days. And so as I mentioned, DTCC here has processed a significant amount of money in 2022, $2.5 quadrillion. And so this is absolutely massive, right? If we go ahead and take a look at this video clip here, again from DTCC, we can see what they're talking about.
We'll all have a digital platform, modern in its format, to be able to transact and move collateral efficiently.
The pace of movement of collateral, due to the need to integrate many institutional systems, slows things down. By automating collateral movement through blockchain and through smart contracts, we're able to unlock this liquidity and really transform institutional finance to allow for real-time settlement of complex financial transactions, instant movement of collateral globally, and even execution of complex financial trades at a pace and with a level of customization that hasn't existed previously.
We're very excited about the collateral experiment. Come and join us for the 2 hours. It'll be an amazing journey.
And so in addition to all of this, we also have the Receipts Depository Corporation that launches XRP Depository Receipt. And so this was back on February 10th, 2025, where XRP Depository Receipts are RDC's latest expansion to provide Depository Trust and Clearing Corporation, DTCC again, eligible securities that offer ownership of digital and alternative assets. RDC's leadership team brings extensive experience in depository receipts and institutional market structure. And so we know that DTCC is starting to focus on digital assets, right? They're going to have their experiment coming up on April 23rd. And then we have all of this information that is tying back to DTCC, right? We have the acquisition of Hidden Road by Ripple. Hidden Road has now received approval for their broker license. They are also going to act as a clearinghouse for the FICC, which is a subsidiary of the DTCC. And so it all is starting to tie together, right? We have to look at the bigger picture here. There's a lot of information out there that is distracting us away from what is going on. And so if you enjoyed this video, do me a favor and hit the like button and subscribe for future videos, and I hope to see you in the next one.